Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a different kind of video. It's 3 weeks since I last washed my hair, and I think 4 to 5 weeks since I've had a retwist. So what I'm doing is basically showing you guys how I refresh my hair when I want to do a retwist, but not like a full retwist. I want to do a little style. So in this video, y'all are just going to come along with me as I do a baby retwist. That's what I call it when I don't use the clips in the dryer. And two-strand twist my locks. And the last couple times I've two-strand twist my locks, I let the ends hang. But this time I'm tucking them. So yeah. And what I use for my hair is I use a bottle with water and olive oil and wild growth oil, and what else did I use? Oh, and excuse my voice, y'all. It's a little raspy. I don't know what's going on today. But anyway, and then I used the Jamaican lime wax on my hair. And I think that is it, actually, in a comb. And I was just combing, making sure my roots are clear. And then I'm twisting my hair, tucking those ends, and moving on to the next twist. And y'all can see me talking. I was on the phone, talking away, y'all. But I love doing my hair in twists. I feel like it just lasts so much longer now. And with my hair getting a little more length on it, I like how it sits around my face. The only thing I will say is I switched up my technique a little bit when it comes to twisting my hair. So it does take me a little longer than it used to. I used to be able to wash and retwist and boom in an hour. But doing this actually took me, I want to say 2 hours or 2.5 hours. And I do use a palm rolling method. It's easier for me. Sometimes I just twist it around my finger to get it tight, but it was taking me so long. I was like, let's hurry this up. So I was just twisting and moving by doing my palm rolls. So here I'm twisting up my new little locks because I had some growth going on. So I was able to add 4 more locks. Yay, that makes me so happy. Y'all don't understand the way I've been trying to rebuild the crown part of my hair, from bad and improper care of my hair with wigs and protective styles before I locked 2 years, almost 2 years ago now. Almost 2 years. I'll be 2 years on August 17th, y'all. August 17th. So we're halfway through the hair right now. As y'all can see, I did add in some new baby locks because the hair grown back, okay? But I'm about to show y'all the back. This is how much is done. Ooh. These are the next one I'm about to twist up, so. Show my like a stank cow. Oh, you guys, I didn't get to record this, but this is a note for later. When you're done, you should definitely put a coat of oil over your locks. I usually just squirt it in my hands, and then I just rub it all through my locks and then spray a little shine spray so that my locks are looking just scrumptious. But yeah, just make sure you're still moisturizing them, even though, you know, you don't want buildup, but you also don't want dry locks that are breaking off. Almost done. I want to say one left, and I think it's gonna be 3. Yeah, there's a small one in here. Y'all see that skinny one? So I'm gonna put them all together. I'm just gonna join it with one of these after I twist them. And now I'm just checking my hair to make sure that I don't have any more, because I swear y'all, it sucks when you realize you got a random one sitting around, which I really shouldn't have. All right, time to put these last 2 together. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this time it took me a little second. It usually doesn't take me too long to twist my hair up, but I don't know if it's just because, again, like I'm using better technique with my hair, or my hair's getting longer. But I think this took about, 2 hours. It's a long time. Anyway, it's been a long time. Like 3 hours is a long time in my freaking hair. But that's all right. But yeah, I'm just gonna put these 2 together because they're the smaller ones. Just twist these, twist, twist, twist. Oh, my arms hurt too, and I worked out this morning, chill. Twisting, twisting. Oh, and I tucked the ends this time. That's different too. The last few times I've twisted my hair up, I haven't tucked the ends. I just left them out. But I was like, I really want to tuck the ends this time. But yeah, tucking the ends definitely made it take longer too. And I washed my hair. I guess it's a lot. I usually don't do all that in one day. Whew. My arms, y'all. We are finally done. Let me give y'all the look of it all around. Actually, guys, now that I'm done, obviously I'm gonna go through with my oil. I'm gonna go with my wild growth, of course. And I'm just gonna dab it all over my head. Just a little dab, dab, dab. Nothing too serious. Cause it's only midday, y'all. It's 3 o'clock, so I don't want no oil to be dripping down my head, cause I'm supposed to be going outside with Ryder just to walk her, and then just to like. I wanted to lay on the balcony with her. So yeah, this is the final product. Hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like seeing me refresh my hair and how I refresh it when I do a 2-strand. But it's not time to, I guess it low-key was a retwist, but yeah, just basically a quick little fix after a wash day. And as y'all can see, the twist came out really cute. So hope you guys love this video. Comment, rate, subscribe, let me know what y'all think. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.